We live.
We live, baby.
Good morning, fam. I love the setup on RTY. I'm not gonna lie. I kind of want to take us at the open.
I'm literally messaging the Discord saying we're opening daily bar. We're opening a daily inside bar. Be patient at the open.
Yeah, I do like the sweep of 22,600 yesterday's low on NQ and how it's holding. I have a pretty clear game plan for today.
Are the levels leveling?
The levels are leveling. So 22,600 is my big focus this morning. Good morning, Dominic. Good morning, Charles. Good morning, chat. We do have a Discord. Right now it's just for strong trading one-on-one coaching people, but we will be opening it up to all you guys to join shortly. So patience, hang out with us, and they have something to look forward to. Yeah. But anyways, game plan today, 22,600. That is the main focus. That is prior day low on the old end Kizzle. And I need to close Discord. These people are going nuts talking too much. Okay. Let's see. Not our Discord, by the way. Other Discords. I have like 4 of them linked. So it's Austin and all those people yapping.
Yeah.
So 22,600 prior day low is the main focus for today, level wise. As long as we hold that, basically, but the main lesson I want to curate today and showcase, depending on what happens, is support becomes support until it's no longer support. So 22,600 is the main support today, the main focus I want to watch. So as we potentially dip into it, I want to see how that plays out and holds. But that is going to be the main key for me to watch today is the 22,600 area. It's really cruising nice here at the open. But I do like the divergence from yesterday on RTY. RTY was really strong yesterday. It had a crazy good push. And we're coming right back into the 200 period moving average on the daily chart. So if that can hold, I kind of want to try it. Not gonna lie. So good morning, guys. Morning, Brian, Will, Bobby, what's up? Good to see you. Will, hey guys, I'm $150 away from passing any advice. Maybe only do 2 contracts. Focus on the trade, my friend. Yeah, definitely don't oversize. Like whatever you can do to like not aggressively push it. That is definitely a good thing to do in my opinion. So I would just say don't oversize because that's usually what it gets you always. It's like, okay, well, you know, if I just size here and do this and that, blah, blah, blah. No, that's what's
Yeah.
So
yeah, today I'm actually going to size in small and just add as I get more confirmation. Because it's such a battle for me between going in at the initial entry, set it and forget it trade. If I'm going to size, I'm going to size. Or if I'm going to add in size, wait for further confirmation. Well, ease in, right? Small size. Wait for further confirmation, add to my position, but it skews my risk, right? Like my entry placement gets skewed. Now I have more risk on the table, and now I have to constantly guard the risk. And if we get some pullbacks, I might get a little nervous. Like it's such a battle trying to decide which method to choose with that.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm trying this little long here in RTY. It might be a hair too early on it though. Yeah, I think I'm a hair too early on it. I need one more sweep. I'm only risking $80.
You can share your screen if you want. If you jump a trade, we can just share it whenever we jump in a trade. We could just share screens. Whoever jumps in.
I know it's pretty early, but I just like this level right here a lot, so I'm willing to take this little stab.
Good morning, Will. What up, Bobby?
Let's see
what's going on, Fit. Morning.
What I like here, I think it's going to take out too early.
Buenos dias, Oscar.
Take a little $85 loss. I want to see this little sweep right here. See, it was too early. But this is my area. This is my 200 period moving average on RTY. So now that we just swept 2211 area, which is these little lows, let's see how this can hold up. If I can find something here. I don't like this though. It's pretty ugly on the 15. Kind of hard to work with this.
Yeah.
But I do like this area right here. Might try it one more time if I get a signal bar right here.
Morning. Good morning, Alex. Good morning, Neil Patel.
Good morning.
Thought.
Yeah, I don't know if this is going to work. I'm probably just going to wait. That's why I took a super teeny little stab at it. I liked attempting it. I just don't think these candles are very conducive of a good move.
Conducive. Nice.
Conducive. I can use some big words sometimes. I like this. I'm trying to try this. Don't want to try this. Don't want to try this. Let's see. Let us see, my friends. I don't have a good pattern here on the 5 minute. I don't like this is awful. I don't like this. I'm gonna wait. If I get some like clear bar, maybe I can work with that. We are kind of stalling around here though, so let's see how this pans out here.
Mm-hmm.
Nope.
Inside bar.
That is flushing.
Inside bar. Take your time at the open.
RTY. Look at this. This did barely sweep this and then started to come lower. That's what I don't like. But we're retesting support right here too. Like this should be this should be the zone roughly. Just not the sexiest. So not a lot to work with, like I said. Not a lot to work with, my friends. God bless Apple. Finally at 210. My leaps. God, it's been a minute. It's been a minute. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to get anything around here. Good morning, a Fit Trader, Adrian, Dominic, Alejandro, Steve. What's good, guys? What's going on? What's going on? Last trading day of the, well, I guess we do have tomorrow, but it's a half day. I don't know if I'm going to trade. I don't know if either of us are going to be live tomorrow. I don't usually trade half days. We do have a lot of news tomorrow. I might buy this right here. We do have a lot of news tomorrow. So can I get anything? Can I get anything here? We do have a lot of news tomorrow, but it's, again, just holiday-wise. It's a half day. I don't like trading half days that much. Usually not my cup of tea. Not really what I enjoy. Can we get anything here at all? I'm going to maybe attempt this. I'm looking for just that little bit of Sprucey Springsteen right here. Sprucey Springsteen. Can we spring right here? Can we get a spring?
You long bias all day?
On this RTY, I'm long bias, yeah. Like, just can't get any signal here, though. And the deeper it goes, I'm like, how deep is it going to keep deeping it?
Go deeper.
If we get a break here. NQ looks good. Nice spring at 600. Really just cruising through VWAP. I want this to like catch up. This thing just diverged yesterday, and so much volume came into it. So that's why
if NQ looks good, why not trade it?
Because it's too far gone now, extended wise.
Yeah, that's the reason.
Sidewalk, baby. You know me. I'm sidewalking as much as I can.
Rebel. That's what that is. Rebel.
Here we go. Starting to work with something. I just like this zone, this area. We're trying it.
Order filled.
One more little attempt here. Let's see. Give it a $95.
We're trying it.
$95. $95. Got something to work with at least. No, at least we got something to work with. I'm gonna add to it.
Order filled.
250.
Nice.
If this takes me out, then I'm gonna sit in my hands for a hot second. That's the plan. That is the plan, gang. Can we get something here though? Please be so nice. Some sort of pop skis.
Something, anything
to work with. I like this zone. I like the area. Buy it. Buy it back up.
Good morning, Steve. Good morning, Shauna. What up, EQ?
Buy it back up. What's good, guys? Good morning.
Come on, take off.
Ooh. This ain't pushing like I want it to push. Well, respecting the low, I guess. So far, it's only not enough time though. Nah. Not the best 5-minute bar here. Not a fan of this 5-minute bar. Not a lot to work with this 5-minute bar. I need to push higher. Give us a engulf us. Give us a retest of the 200 at least, which is into 2213. Everything else looks pretty nice. Come on, RTY, follow through with it. Give us that second day play. Continuation. How's IWM look? That's the question. It's a good question.
Oscar said he's short in Q.
Okay. Godspeed, my friend. Godspeed.
Not a bad play. Honestly.
This really ain't doing jack shit here.
I can see why he would be short. That's not a bad play. Oscar. Good buenos dias, Oscar.
All right. Want to start giving us a little bit of breathing right here. Come on.
Yeah, there we go.
Keep it going. Okay.
You always enter right when they're fighting.
I know, because I can sit through the pain. If I take a $250 loss, I don't lose my my hat for it. But if I make it through and I'm in the driver's seat, then we're driving the fucking boat. Right, Alejandro? We're driving the boat.
Let me drive the boat.
I'm trying to drive this boat, bro. I'm really trying to drive this boat right now. I'd love to drive this boat. That'd be really nice. I don't know if it's really not reacting that well, though. So I don't know if it's going to work. But I'm content with the $250 loss if it happens. Let's see. Just give us something. It's not really doing anything, dude. This is pretty terrible. I'm not going to lie. Not going to lie. I think it's going to sink here and take me out.
Was sinker.
Enemy sinker. Okay. Give us a hamskis. Give us little hamskis here. Price failing to go lower. Let's see that. Come on.
Yeah,
come back up. Come on. Come back up.
Yeah. Give me a nice little divergence. Failing to go lower.
Diverge it up, baby. Diverge it up. 30-second. Okay.
There you go.
Okay.
There it is. I like
a little
that.
bit,
I would
little
enter,
bit of drive the boat
right there. I would
drive
enter for longs right there.
Yep, that is your boom, boom. That's your that's what you're looking for. Should I add?
Yes,
No,
sir.
I don't want to add.
I would.
It's too early.
Yeah, I would say because what happens with that double bottom play right there is going to take off, come back, retest, and if it clears that retest, I would add if I were you.
Okay, I'm gonna let
it's going to retest that. It's going to retest your area of entry probably one more time, and then it's probably then it'll if it reclaim that retest, it'll take off for you.
Well, realistically, if this works and we get all the way up through VWAP, I mean, I want to target a whole reclaim of this damn candle, dude. Honestly, like yesterday's probably whole bar. That's why I didn't want to add right there. It's just still too. I don't have enough confirmation. Like, look at this 3-minute chart. It's really not a lot to work with. I need this candle to be really strong. If we can close this candle strong, it'll look a little bit decent. But I think we could easily come sweep here on 35s, which is actually pretty massive. That would be a massive move for RTY. Yeah, that would more than clear me. So yeah, this is pretty. It's not enough yet.
Brian's interested in shorts on ES.
It's probably gonna
Oscar's already in shorts.
Yeah, this is gonna take me out. Seems like it. Seems like it, my friends. Unless this holds right here. Something. A little something. A little something here.
Yeah, I see. I'm going to have to be very patient this morning.
Yeah.
Yeah, Bobby Zip, catch that falling knife.
I know. Well, that's why I keep my risk really small. That's why I didn't want to add to this either. I don't have a lot of conviction in it. I just like this zone. Roughly the zone, the area, whatever you want to call it. If we can close this 5-minute bar here.
Oh, no, NQ look good for the long.
If we can engulf
I need
this,
a
it's
little
looking
bit
better.
more.
It's looking a little bit better if we can get this going here. Not bad, ladies and gents. Look at the 2-minute. Starting to shape up a little bit here with this hamskis. Kind of nice. Kind of nice on the hamskis here. Like I said, I really think if this can get going, 23s, like, dude, this easily can come retest VWAP, which is 21. Way up there. I think this can push through VWAP, to be honest. Personally. This is a good setup. I like this actually a lot. If this can follow through here, this is fucking good.
Nice.
Decent, my friends. Look at this, dude. Call me the sniper. Look at this 2-minute golden signal, Lawrence. No, it's just a bullish engulfing bar. But so far, so decent. We'll see if it plays out.
Let me see what ES is looking like.
ES is looking like it's basing a little bit. I like that 5-minute, these 5-minute bars on ES. Coming into VWAP now. NQ's strong. Hopefully it kind of gives some gas to the rest of the market. Retesting the 200-period moving average now on RTY. This is where it would reject. So if we get this nice push through, then follow through, should easily target VWAP, and then hopefully up into something higher. That would be real nice. That would be real nice, my friend.
Still got
my friends. I know that NQ straight up in the air. That sweep in the pre-market, it might be one of those days where like that was a really good entry in the pre. Coming into the reject zone here. Coming into the reject zone and VWAP for IWM.
You taking profit at VWAP? Or are you taking profits?
Yeah, I'll cover one into VWAP just to be safe, and the other one. The other one I'll probably let ride a little bit. Where are we at? 22. Yeah. 7. Let's see. Let us see, my friends. I think I could take one off here in a 20. Like, I don't want to get edged. That's my thing. So I'm going to do 2220.4. Let's see if we can get that. VWAP's 2220.7 or 8, whatever, right here. But I think if we fill this and then push through VWAP, we're going to get a really strong push. And I want to go for like, I might go for max win if I can do it. I don't know. I just want to go. I just love this daily setup is decent because it was so strong yesterday. We did barely sweep this high and come back, but look where I got long, right? The retest of this high, the retest of this area as well. Look where my stop is. I think this is a very decent spot risk reward wise to get long. So that's why I wanted to get involved here. That's why you saw me stalking it and even trying once and then taking a little loss and moving on. So let's see. Now it's feeling much better now.
Nicely. Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, it's looking decent. It's one of those too where hopefully get these bars where people are like, oh shit, that was the low, and then they start to chase and start to kind of push it. And while they're chasing, I'm just exiting pretty much. So let's see.
Smart money moves.
Smart money moves, baby. Smart money moves.
Sanders, smart money moves. I know
pretty crazy, dude. This is looking good now. Now I got some more confidence in it. I needed to get past all this junk. All this junk in the trunk.
All that ass.
All that ass. Right into VWAP and IWM here. Also retesting the 200. Again, this is where it should get weak if it's going to. If it doesn't, even more confirmation of sitting in the driver's seat, which would be nice. So we watch. We sit and we watch, my friends.
We sit and we watch. We wait. We sit
watch,
on
we
our
wait.
hands.
Sit in our hands. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it pushing. Nice strong 5-minute bar, dude. Really strong 5-minute bar. 3-minute looking good. Can we just continue momentum? This 5-minute bar is called, if any of you read Price Action Bar by Bar from Al Brooks, the driest read in the world, but it's a lot of sauce. It's called a By the Close Bulls bar, where it's so strong, where basically like Bulls want to get in right away and continue this because it's so strong, quote unquote.
Yeah. Normally, if that next candle passes the previous bull bar, then we're going to continue.
Yeah. As long as we don't engulf this here for whatever reason, then I would just be fucked. I'd be cooked. Cooketed. It's kind of nice,
bro,
though.
I still see no entry for me, honestly.
I know. NQ looks tough for an entry. I'm telling you, it might be one of those where it just cruises all morning. This might just be the trading gods, bro. Just being like, you know what? Sit on your hands this week. Relax. We were cruising. What's up, chat? What's going on?
I see something on 32nd.
Where are you gonna put your stop? You could probably put your stop below. It's
try it.
It's too big of a stop. 22,675. Because we pulled back
22,675.
Yeah, it's pretty big stop.
Yeesh.
Yep, nobody on the desk. That's why low liquidity. Yep, low liquidity for sure. Kind of just one of those mornings, one of them days. Can we have them buy this, please? Continue. 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 Buy it. Buy it, buy it, buy it. If NQ pulls back to 694, I may enter along. I could see that. And that would be nice. That would be right into VWAP area. Not against that. Not against that, my friends. Not against that. Positions. Cruising for a bruising. Can this continue? Continue. Oh, we long. Are you in?
Yeah, I took a little stab at it.
Okay, cool. Coo. Let's go, Novathis. Min long here. Entries 22,715.25. Stop loss at 22,697.75. Partials. Look at this guy. I love this dude. Partials 22,750.75. TP 2260. This is dialed. This is called creating a plan. I love it. If all of you are, this is how you do it. So you fucking do it, dude. This is how you do it. This is how you do it. This is how
we do it.
This is how we do it. I will say, I got some insider info.
Ooh, insider trading. I want parts.
Insider trading. Top one's dropping fat discount on July 4th. So it's coming, and I think they're increasing the number of accounts for the, not the instant funding, the ones I use, but the intraday trailing drawdown ones. Yeah, the pros. Pretty sure they're doing it, increasing it to 9 accounts. So that's insane. What's the math on that, dude? If you took out 3,500 per account times 9, that's $31,000. 31,500. It's pretty fat. Pretty freaking fat, bro.
Pretty thick.
Pretty thick. I don't like how this isn't going, and I hate this 2-minute bar. I hate this little pin. Engulf this wick, please. Please engulf her here. Engulf her. I barely know her. NQ cruising.
Yeah. Oh, no, it's not enough.
Man, this is really just fucking paint dry right now, dude. Not a fan of how this isn't pushing harder. But it's this area. It's this 200 period moving average. It's really right here. I expect it to kind of have some trouble. Keep my stop at the low. Let it trade. Don't overthink it. Don't overthink it. I will take the loss like a man if I need to. I really wish we get some more momentum here, though. I don't like how this is stalling so much. I'm not going to lie.
Yeah.
I'm not a fan of it. Not a fan.
I took my entry on the 30-second chart, so I'm not a huge fan of that either.
Yeah, it's a damn thing, dude. This is just like a lower high so far. Definitely one of those I just gotta let it trade. I can't overthink this. Just still stomach the loss if I take it.
Let it do its thing.
Let it do its thing.
Working out my chart, so I know everything that I did makes sense.
We are testing the first VWAP, which is IWM's VWAP here. That's why this is also stalling. Apple's at 213, dude.
No, that's right. Where you at?
Let's fucking go. Where are my leaps at, dude? Let's take a little gander. Woo! You loving the Robinhood thing is just straight up in the air.
Yeah, it's like a dopamine hit.
We were up $1,880 on my leaps.
Beautiful.
It's pretty nice.
Yes.
Pretty nice. Pretty nice.
Mm-hmm.
Now, if RTY could just stop doing this, bro, come on. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me, man. I think this is going to fail now, to be honest. This should have already gone.
Where are you at?
This little bar fucked me.
Okay. Kind of like a little tweezer.
It's just a little overshoot. It's a little shooting star. And then this 5 minute needed instant follow through. And when 5 minute bars don't have this follow through right away, like this is probably just going to fully dump this, dude. But again, we have the 200 period moving average right here is a huge level. So I expect them to toy with this. So I just have to leave the stop at the low and not like, I can't trail this.
Yeah.
Tan, you got a Discord or something, one-on-one coaching. We have a website, gostrongtrading.com. You can look into it. We are full, but I do have a spot opening up in the next couple weeks.
Mm-hmm.
And if you have a good application, maybe we get picked. There is a wait list of like a bunch of people, but basically, like I kind of just look at the best application and go from there with it. We will be opening a Discord hopefully in the next month or so for all you guys to join, be a part of the fam. Bobby's buying his last reset on July 4th. That's right, last one ever.
The last reset?
The last reset.
But you like burnt through them all?
I think so. Because July 4th is the sale. 30-minute bar.
Top one?
Top one, yeah.
Oh, okay,
30-minute bar, not bad. I like this long tail. I still need this up here more. I do need this up here a bit more.
I think if we can get past on NQ, if we can strongly get to like 730s, I'm going to add.
I'm going to have to pull this down a little bit. The 20 right into VWAP here and the base of this. NQ's cruising for a bruising.
Yeah, I got in a tad bit too early.
Luke, your boy
get
Dawson
to 730.
Hell yeah, Dawson's the man. I met him at Traders for a Cause. Good dude. If we get to what? 730?
Yeah, but I entered too early, so now I have to wait.
I know. I feel like we could come back down and test VWAP one more time, but unless we lose again 675, I don't think your 30-minute looks nice. Yeah, 30 minutes looking decent. We got what 50 seconds for this to close. The 5 minutes starting to look good now. Finally, gonna see how we follow through here at 10 a.m. Let's see what 10 a.m. brings us, ladies and gents.
This doesn't look too good for me.
Little struggle bus there. Where's your stop?
My stop is at 692. I need it to go. If it doesn't go, then I'm take like a
Yeah,
little $110 loss,
that's not bad.
$117 loss.
I feel if we pin down and we don't lose 677, I feel like you could re-enter. I think 692 is a good spot. This is just patience in a nutshell, my friends. That's why I don't know what's going to happen here, and that's why I do get in these areas because they are kind of tricky. But I just got to sit through it and wait. I just got to sit through it and wait. That's all I can do. Sit through it and
Yeah, I
wait.
think I might get cooked here. I need that shit to pump right now, like it's doing. Continue to
Right
go, baby.
now. Right now.
Continue to go.
Check out this
Continue to
30,
go.
bro. Check out this 30. If we can get past this little top of this hammer, looking decent, bro. Looking very, very decent. Very, very decent. Let's go. Almost too high of day on IWM open. Getting there. We are getting there a little bit. Keep pushing, dude. Don't give me some fucking bullshit here. No. No, no, no. None of that. No pin. No pin bars. No pin bars. Buy it back up. Buy that micro
I added
dips.
to my position.
Okay, nice bullish engulfing right here for you. Hopefully, let's get past this bar. Let's get past this bar.
Now we wait.
Let's get past the
Now
bar.
we wait.
Oh man, dude, they're toying with me. They toying with me. Let's just pass it, dude. I know you want at least VWAP, bro. At least give me VWAP. Keeps moving down too. I don't want to just get cocked on this, bro. I feel like what's going to happen is it's going to push really hard though, and like at least pin into VWAP. I don't think we're barely going to tap it then reverse. Should at least get a test of it. I don't like how this is rejecting here. You take me higher, baby.
Yeah.
Here we go. Fair value gap held nicely. Nice. Friday's levels. Friday. What's Friday?
Nice.
Nice push there for Ed and Kizzle. The old Ed and Q machine. RTY is just fucking doing nothing.
Chill.
Actually, I knew it was going to digest in this area. We still have the 200. It's still respecting it.
Bro, I need this thing to like stop playing and close a bit stronger. I need this thing to stop playing and close a little bit stronger. That's all. Just a little bit stronger.
Driving the boat.
Okay, I'm happy. I'm happy with this. I'm happy with this. If I lose this, I'm cool. I'm cool with this.
I think that bullish engulfing is nice for you on NQ.
Yeah.
Let's see.
I'm cool with this.
Pull you up. There you go. Oh, yeah, I like that. Entry model. Okay.
Yeah. I'm cool with this.
Okay. Bobby, dude, this trade is stressing me out. My RTY trade. I just accept the risk, bro, and just let it trade. That's the thing. I don't care about the outcome. Like, yeah, I want to make money, but like, I like this setup, and I also just know, like, I just gotta let it trade. It might not work.
For the sport.
Do it for the sport, dude. Yeah, do it for the sport. It might not work. There's always a possibility it just doesn't work, and that's. I don't know if you guys watched me yesterday. I don't think you were here yesterday, Bobby, but I was in this trade, and it was working real nice and like decent, and then ended up news came in and took me out at break even. I was frustrated as fuck, and then I ended up finding another entry elsewhere and sniped it, and that cruised me. So
And then
nice, Lauren.
entry model looks the same all the time. That's yeah. Me and Alex talked about that. Like, I have to make sure everything is identical because I need to know the difference between me fucking up and then the market just not like, just, yeah.
Looking a lot more decent here, ladies and gentlemen, on the RTY.
That actually looks really good for RTY.
Now it's looking a bit better. If we hopefully clear this wick here and at least give me a cover. Hopefully I don't get
like I would have entered on RTY right now. Like that looks really good.
Pretty decent. Yeah.
If you do, I don't want to. Never mind.
I'm just gonna let it trade, bro. I got bigger picture targets in mind for this. Like, because I think if we get past VWAP, it's gonna go. I think it's gonna go if we get past VWAP. I think we're just sitting
definitely.
It's really tough and sideways here, but it's just because where we are. So it's like when you have super big levels like this. So here we have the 200 period moving average, which is like the biggest one everyone's looking at. I expect a lot of digestion in like questioning here from people. But theory just says we extended over it, we pulled back, we barely undershoot it. Like literally, it's sitting at 22.13.8. So literally this area, like, so look at like my entry was down here, the sweep below the spring. Now we're retesting it and holding. So hopefully it should go and kind of come way back up towards here. So that's why I'm like, I like it. There's a lot of room for this potentially. That's why I'm like, if I take one off into VWAP, the other one could probably run. I just gotta, wait and see type deal for sure. Nothing is certain. Everything is hard. It's all an illusion. People think this is a paid job is secure when in fact it can be pulled at any moment. So you choose your heart. Exactly. I like that. I really like that. 100%, bro. Good, really good perspective. It is like you don't fucking know. You learn patterns and price action, and you practice and you get better. And you just learn the odds and you learn the scenarios, right? But there's always a possibility you're going to be wrong. Nothing is ever certain. And I think that's the hard part about scaling up and getting bigger is there's still a chance you can get smoked on like a super high quality A+ setup. But it's like, what are the odds,
Yeah. And another thing he was talking about a 9 to 5. He was saying 9 to 5 is like people security and safety is an illusion when it comes to a 9 to 5 because you can literally get pulled at any given time, and that's the truth.
Yep, true that, bro.
That's the truth.
True that, my friend.
The riskiest thing is only having one income.
Yep, absolutely. That's why trading. Honestly, I used to be a fan and be like, oh, like only trading income. But then like literally trading gets easier if you have another source of income. It just really does. It's just how it works.
Yeah.
It's people that only trade, like legit only trade. That's their only source. I don't want that stress, to be honest. I did it for a bit. And it was not fun. It was not fun. This is looking decent. This is where patience pays. Hopefully you guys have been watching me just sit through this. Let's see if we at least get a cover here. That's what opened my eyes more. Need more incomes. Yep, exactly. Full ported VWAP. I'm a little worried because VWAPs is declining here, but this is a good area to take it off, right? And I'm gonna keep this because I expect to shoot. I want a rocket candle. Give me a rocket candle through this, baby. Give me a cover here. Cover me live in front of everyone. Cover me live. 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 Live.
Man.
Cover me live. Cover me live. Cover me live.
Oh, you're cruising.
Live cruising. We're cruising. Cruising. 13 more points for the partial for Alejandro. Good shit. Selling here due to Friday's close as usual. Okay, gotcha. That makes sense. One more little push, please. Just a wee bit more. Just a wee bit more. If I zoom in really close, zoom in super close. See how edged I can get. One more little push. One more little push. Give it to me, please. Keep going. Almost there. Almost there. You got it. You're so close. One more point. Just one more point. That's all I'm asking for. Dobby needs a sock.
Edge Lord zoomed in. Edge Lord Tanner.
Edge Lord zoomed in, baby. Zoom in for the edge.
I'm gonna change your name on my phone to Edge Lord.
Edge Lord. That's what's happening right now. This is maximum pain, as close as I can get. Oh. This gives me anxiety, dude. I need to zoom out. Makes me overthink my position. It's literally the opposite of when in doubt, zoom out. It's like just
bring the
consistently
doubt in when you zoom in.
Yeah. Consistently just zooming in. Cover me. Come on. Give us a big push here. Just give us a big rocket candle. That's what I want. Don't toy with me. Divergence on YM right now. Interesting. Everything else is pushing pretty strong, though. But again, this was so strong yesterday. I'm like, at least give me a cover at VWAP. At least give me a cover at VWAP, dude.
Let me NQ to go ahead and
keep it pushing.
Here she is. Come on.
Come on,
baby girl.
Come on, come to Papa.
Baby
come
girl.
to Papa, baby girl. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. I don't want to get edged here. I'm not gonna lie. I might just take one off here just to be safe. Come on, dog. Don't do this shit to me.
Project 618 said, where have you got that VWAP anchored to on RTY?
It's just the standard one. It's like the whatever it comes with the market, the 24-hour one. So it's the fresh session every day. Good question.
Baby girl.
Good question. Push one more time. Come on. If we don't get a push here, I'm gonna cover it. I'm not gonna get edged here. Let's go. Push.
There she is. You're good.
Push the P. Push the P.
What's that song? Push it. Push it. Push it.
Push it.
You know what I'm talking about?
What are you talking about? Watch this.
I don't know. I forgot the name of that song.
No, give me it. I'm not gonna get edged here, bro. I'm gonna just take it off, probably. At least take one off. Let the other one still try to go.
You're good, bro.
I think I'm good too. I would just
say take it off if it goes below that consolidation area, huh?
I'm just gonna take it off. I just took one off. I don't give a fuck, dude. I took it off.
Okay.
I just don't. I'm just gonna be so pissed if this pulls back fully, and I'm like, you didn't lock in anything, bro. I'm gonna be so mad. I just know myself.
Yeah. I'm not locking in shit. That shit better hit my PT.
I'm gonna let it go now for sure. For sure. I'm gonna go to break even.
I'm gonna switch screens here.
Yeah, go for it. See if my runners.
We're almost there.
Salt and pepper. Did I jinx it?
Yes, you did.
You jinxed it, bro. You did. No, I'm content with it. I'm okay. I'll take that off there and just cover some. Right into VWAP instantly. That's what I'm talking. It's instantly rejecting now too. I'm glad I covered that there because now it's pulling back. Hopefully this doesn't come all the way down to break even. That would be really frustrating.
Yeah, that would suck.
That would be really, really frustrating.
I'm holding my shit to the end.
Yeah, you're looking good, dude. It was that sweep of 600 in the pre-market, bro. It was great.
I got the sweep of 600. Where's that at?
22,600. Go zoom out to the 15. Go down. Look at yesterday's low.
Oh, wait.
Zoom out more.
Okay. You said what?
Zoom out more. Zoom. See?
Boom,
right there.
Boom.
Look at that.
I see her.
Extra sweep. Yeah. Pretty nice. Can we get a push here, ladies and gentlemen? NQ's going. I want to fucking RTY to do the thing. Be nice. It's not really doing it. Just rejecting VWAP.
I don't like that doji.
Yeah, I don't like what RTY is doing, dude. It just kind of gradually floated up to VWAP and then got rejected. Let it trade. Let it trade.
Let that thing trade.
Let that thing trade.
Almost there. We're almost there, ladies and gentlemen. We're about halfway to my profit target.
6.3.
I'm liking this setup I have.
I am patience right now, bro.
You are patience.
This is doing nothing. It's pretty shitty. Not gonna lie. Don't like how slow this is. Also don't like this little fucking bear flag that's going on right at VWAP here. I do not like RTY doing this shit.
Like NQ doing this shit.
NQ's going, dude. It looks good, dude. NQ looks good. Look at you cruising. Look at us just sitting waiting. Nothing you can do but sit and wait just like this.
Yeah, that's all we can do. This is what we do for a living. We guess. You know, my sister said that one time we went out to eat, bro. My sister was like, I was like, I forgot what I said. And I was like, yeah, bro, I gotta guess X, Y, and Z or something. And she was like, you do that for a living, right? And I was like, yeah, I do that for yes, I do that for a living.
Let's
do guess for a
go.
living.
Partials for Alejandro. Good shit. W's for you. Good shit, bro. Stop loss and profit. Good. That's a winner. Love to hear it. Love to hear it.
What I don't like is normally when this happens, like for my setup, there's normally like a retest of my entry, my level of entry. So my entries right here will normally go up, come back, retest, and then go higher.
Yeah.
And that retest is always what makes me kind of like nervous sometimes, but we haven't done it unless we're just going to shoot straight up this one time, or maybe this was a possible kind of, I guess, representation of a retest. But we have not came back down and retest that level of entry. And normally that always happens. It's rare we shoot straight up, but I hope it does. I hope it does.
I think because we had that bigger picture sweep of yesterday's low, it's one of those, like, it creates all that pressure just to push the other side. So that's why, like, I think coming up and sweeping, what's your target? 81s?
788.
Yeah, I think that's such a good target.
I front ran it.
Yeah, you're front running it. Yeah, exactly. I think that's great. Because I think it should just straight shot there, honestly. That's what it looks like, at least.
Charles said W, Fit said W. I hope so, bro.
A lot of patience. A lot of patience. A lot of patience.
A lot of patience.
Need to do some quick math here. I need to math this.
And so that's how I annotate my shit. And I'm going to screenshot this for my records. So I know I did everything that I could today. You got to make every trade count. You got to make every trade count. Nice little screenshot.
God, this thing is really just VWAP's just keeping the lid on this and just slow.
Let's see where you are.
Pull me up.
That's not bad. The magic line.
I know. Well, that's my like, oh fuck, I don't want to get fucked line.
Yeah.
I still draw, dude. Everyone talks on trend lines. I don't use them as like, oh, this is my strategy. I'm not Tory trading it. It's just not my thing. But
you use it as a point of a signal of invalidation.
Yeah, it's like sometimes like I just want to see how it's respected, because like it's clear like this is being respected right now, right? And so it's like if this gets disrespected and retest or something, it is a catalyst. Like that's like a bear flag, right? It's a catalyst for it to go lower. But now we just need to get through VWAP, dude. We just need to get, once we get through this, I think we're easily going to seek out 26 like up here 26.3s, and then even I want to go for like up here in the 33s. I think I'll hit daily max win before that happens, but I don't know. I don't know, my friends. We'll see.
Let's see what SPY's looking like, because that shit was looking like ass earlier.
It
Oh,
just
here we go. This is pretty
it's
decent.
cruising. It's just like, God, dude, these rejections here, man, are just awful. They're just real
I know what I'm
slow.
going to do.
What are you going to do?
So SPY just showed my entry model where I would have entered if I was trading SPY. So I'm going to do a 2R on SPY. I'm going to scale out on my 2R for NQ and then leave runners for 2R on SPY if it makes it there.
Okay.
That makes sense.
Godspeed for you. Godspeed. I think we get a little pullback here on SPY and then we go looking better. I don't like this 3-minute bar, dude. How's the 15? How's our bigger time frames? I need this candle to come up here and close stronger. It's just rejecting view up real nice so far, which is just not cool.
Okay.
It's
We
just
can make it
not
there.
cool. Not cool, man. Not cool. How are we looking here? 30. I need this to close up here, man. I don't want this to go lower. Hourly looks kind of decent. Little hammer, engulf this here, continue higher. That would be nice. Up towards 31s, ideally. 2-minute. Back to 2-minute. A little hammer again. Not bad. Respecting the magic line. The line's being respected. I dislike when Price does this near my TP. Yeah, it is frustrating. That's why I started. You saw me. That's why I've been cutting a little early here and there. I'm just trying to be an edge, man. You know, one man can only take so much abuse.
Jesus. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh.
Oh gosh. Give us a ripstick on RTY here, dude. Push us through all of it. Come on, dog. That move yesterday actually on RTY. Can we talk about how insane this was? Look at this shit, dude.
Crazy.
This is a fat move. 23s all the way up to 41s in a very short amount of time.
Not a single red bar.
Yeah. Oh, wait, no, that wasn't even it. I'm sorry. I lied. This was it. Look at this. 91s to 38s. Dude, that's like 50 points on RTY, which is massive. Massive, massive, massive for RTY. This is such a big move. I think this was news. So the thing with RTY is it loves reacting to news. You'll notice, like, I've paid attention to this a lot. When we have like data come out or whatever it is, it will have the biggest moves in the pre-market most of the time, and especially overnight. And then we get to New York session and it usually dies. So that's why when we kind of do have a dead overnight session or not much to work with or like some crazy sweep like this, it sets up these good opportunities. That's why I like this too, right? We swept here.
Damn, that shit's huge.
Yeah, it's a big
like in
move.
comparison, that's a big move. Bro.
It's a fat move. This is a fat move, bro. That's why this is a second day play. I call this bigger picture second day play. And so just a retest of this 200 period moving average. So ideally this engulfs all this and it maybe even comes all the way back up here. I'll be out before then, but let's see. Let us see. Let us see, my friend. Where are we at here?
I need some NQ follow through here.
Yeah, nice job on NQ, bro. See, I don't think I would have had an entry on that at all. I would have just been twiddling my thumbs. Actually, probably I had one entry model, the pullback to VWAP at 22,700 at 10 minutes after market open. That's my only chance I would have had at that.
10 minutes after market open is pretty.
Yeah.
You're pretty early.
Mark Morrow, finally got to join my brother Strong. What's good, fellas? What's going on, man? What's going on? One man can only be edged so many times. Okay, boom, TP hit. I'm done screenshotting. Coming. He's TP hit. Let's go. Good shit for you, Alejandro. Run to the Discord. Run to the Discord. Alejandro is part of Strong Trading one-on-one coaching, so he's going to sprint to the Discord. I really like this setup here on YM. Let me pull this up, show you guys what I'm looking at. I'm not taking it because I'm already in a trade, but look at this. Extra little sweep here. It's also, I have a level here of something. I like this. Like you can get long here, put a stop right here. Pretty nice, in my opinion. That's a pretty nice one. Go back to the old Russell machine.
It's pumping, bro.
Let's go. Let's get some more movement. I need a bigger pump, dude.
Me too.
Need a big old pump here. I want 2230. It's my bigger, it's the grand target. Might take a hot fucking minute, but
I got time.
Oh, wait.
Do I have time? Do I have time? Where is my calendar?
Yeah, do I have time? Do I have time?
Do I have time?
Give us some volume here, dude. It's a ripstick. Give us a volume rip sticker. Let's go. Let us go.
Okay.
30-second booming. 30-second pumping. 15-second. Let's go. That's bullish as fuck. Look at the respect of the magic line.
Okay, cool.
Damn, look at this 30 now, bro.
Just pump. Fuck.
That's pretty nice.
That's just going, bro.
Let's go. Pump it. Push it. Let's go. Give me some more. There's a volume spike right there. Give us some more volume. Give us some more volume. Some more volume.
I think I'm about to hit TP real quick.
Yeah, you're did you cover it? You cover it, right?
I'm right here.
Okay. 91. You moved it. You said it was 78s.
I readjusted my 2R, bro.
Okay. Don't be a dick for a tick.
Proper.
Don't be a dick for a tick here. Don't be a dick for a tick.
I am. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's gonna have to hit my TP.
Don't be a dick for a tick, bro.
This thing can go to 0.
Okay.
This thing can go to 0.
Give us one more push, dude. I don't like those spiky pushes like that because then it's just like.
I don't like when it plays around like this.
I know. Now RTY.
It didn't even hit 88s. That's the thing. It didn't even hit 88s. It's at 87.25s.
RTY is not looking good. I hate this pullback here. Big old ugly inverted hammer. Fuck. I don't even feel like this is irrational. Give it to him. Give it to him. Give it to him.
Give it to me.
Give it to him.
Give it to me.
Give it to him. Give it to him. Oh,
90s. Right there.
90s. I'd cover it, bro. I'd cover it, bro. I'd cover it. You're literally being a dick for 3 points. Take it off. Do whatever you want. Let it go to 0. Let it stop you out. Lord's getting edged. Welcome to the family, brother.
I am. Look at that shit, bro.
Because dude, the 88 is the level. 88 is the level, not 91.
Really?
Yeah, that's what I got on here. It's 22, 7, 88, 50s. That's the level I got. That's the level I got. You might get it right here. Let's see.
Oh, Lord, don't do me like that. You saw that?
Yeah, I saw that. I'm watching it. I'm watching it live, my friend. Oh, 89.
I'm being a dick for a tick.
There you go. There you go. Out there we go. W's in the chat for Lawrence. Let's fucking go, fam. Let's go. That was a good one. That was a real good one here. Good job, bro. Good shit.
Thank you, brethren.
Great work. God, I feel like am I asking for too much here? I don't think so. I think it's just slow.
Markups.
Mark it up.
Setup different. Same setup, different day.
Let's pull me up here. Let's see. We're still cruising. If you don't remember, or you're just joining the stream, this is still my first trade of the day. I'm going for what the fuck just happened? What would that put me at? 950, 368. Is that max win? No.
Yeah, that's max win.
368. Yeah,
you only need 300. You only need $300 more.
No, you're
that's
right.
That's beyond your max win. You might as well just, release the profit target.
Release it. Well, I'm not gonna lie. I don't want to fucking jinx this and say it. I don't want to jinx it and say it. I'm just gonna. You guys are gonna wait. You might have a surprise. You guys might have a surprise. All right, I'll run the surprise. If this hits, I think it's 1,240.
It wasn't even 2 seconds left.
I know. If this hits 1,240 bucks, I could request a payout. One of my accounts. Nice. So 368 plus.
I'm not gonna tell you guys just yet. I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna jinx it. I'm gonna tell you now.
I'm gonna tell you now. We'll tell you right now.
Oh my goodness.
Push it. We're gonna go 900 here.
One and done. Yes, sir.
Give me it. Look at this, ladies and gents. Can we get filled here? I am worried about when we cover liquidity right here and it's slowing down.
Your daily max win is going to hit before that hits.
No, well, I did the math. 900 plus 368.
Look at
900 plus 368.
Look at it. You're at 11. You're at 1,100. So $200 more and it's over with, right?
Yeah, exactly. So 900. Yeah.
Really? I don't know.
Well, do the math, bro.
You need
900. No, it's 1,300, not 1,200.
I'm just gonna be quiet,
dude. Do the math.
I don't know. I'm just looking at it. It looks like
368 plus 900.
Sorry. Okay. Yeah. You're at 750.
Yeah, there you go. There you go.
750. Yeah, okay. I realized you P&L. Understood.
Yeah. My P&L. Yep. We're cruising now. Not bad. About to sweep liquidity here. I hope we get a big pop.
Can we talk about the look at that entry? Look at this entire move right here. Hey, screenshot that shit. Hey, screenshot this shit. It's pretty crazy. Like you literally, like that's the entire move, bro. That's you literally rode the entire move.
It's patience, dude. I just like the setup. I know my setup, know my edge.
Entered at 22.10 and exiting at 22.28.
Create the thesis and execute. I'm really worried we're going to sweep this liquidity barely here, though, and then pull back. I am a bit worried about that because the rest of the markets needs to pull back around here, too. Can we get it? Can we get it, ladies and gents? Just one more push. One more push. Give us a nice rocket candle here. Keep it pumping. Keep it pumping. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep her going. Oh my gosh, we're so close. This is for sure gonna edge me. I just know it. I just know it. For once, can I just get a pin into this and then it fails and just not edge me? That'd be so nice. It'd be so nice. We can just get that for once. For one damn time. This 30-minute looks so good, though. That candle finish looks so good.
Yeah, I would definitely stay right there. That looks good. It's going to clear. It's going to clear 32s.
Hourly looks really good, too. I think we were going to come up. I honestly think we're going to go all this today. But I just don't need to sit around for all that, luckily. 4 hour looks good. So this is what I'm talking about on the daily. See, like engulfing this whole wick right way back up to here and closing like strong up here. I think it's very possible. 2 minute. Do we get it? Do we get it, ladies and gents? We're super close. We're super close. Edge Tanner. I just want to see this man fight for his life. Dude, that's all that happens to me every day. Come on. You guys watch this happen. I should start an OnlyFans and just me getting edged trading.
OnlyFans.
OnlyFans, yeah. Shout out Isaac Rivera.
Funds.
1 point away. Is it gonna give it to me? Is it gonna give it to me? We're gonna wait and see. We're gonna wait and see. God, dude, only edged. Yeah, that's actually what it's called. Only edged. This is so much fun being here. Not gonna lie, I love you, bro. Much appreciated. Much appreciated. Ride it tight. Sit right, ride it tight. This is so overextended, though. If I have to deal with this pullback, I'm gonna be so annoyed. Just give me one more pump, dude. One more push. Rip stick me through my TP. Come on. Rip stick me through the PT, dude. TP, PT. Whatever you want to call it. Oh my goodness. Just give me a big push. One more big push. One more big push. Come on.
Man.
Dude, I think it's literally going to edge me right here. I'm not going to lie.
And take it off. You're at 1120. You're at 1198. You're at 1200 right now.
Give it one more attempt here. Motherfucker, dude.
Take it off. You know me, I support sticking to your system regardless, but you know, you can always not be a dick for a tick kind of thing.
The thing is, if this fills, I can take a payout. If this doesn't right here, I can't take the payout. This is pure fuckery greed mindset. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, you should. Yeah, I mean, I would.
Let's give it one more attempt here.
Stick to my plan, but you know,
this fucking thing, dude.
There we go.
One more push. One more push. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, dog. Emotional damage is right. This is literally emotional damage. Give me it. Give me it. Give me it. Give me it.
Let's go.
0.5 points.
Get rid of it. You don't need it.
I do need it.
You didn't. You said 1200.
No, I need 1240.
Oh.
Give me it. Just fill it. Just fill it. Just fill it. Come on, just do it.
There you go. You
just fill it. Fill it. Fill it. Oh my God, give me it. Oh, I'm going to freak out.
Oh my God, just sell it.
Oh my God, I pressed the wrong button.
Order filled.
Fuck me.
Damn.
All right, guys, we need to make 20 bucks. We need to make 20 bucks. Yo, fuck me. We need to make 20 bucks. Okay, we need to make 20 bucks. We need to make 20. I want a YM. We need to make 20 bucks.
Oh my God.
We need to make 20 bucks right now.
Right at this moment.
Order filled.
Are we selling? What is that?
We're buying.
We're buying.
This could be the worst stream ever. Just so you all know. And RTY just went and hit my target if I wouldn't have pulled it there.
Oh my gosh. NQ will get it for you.
I'm in YM.
I think you should move it just a tick above 30 because the commission, right?
Yeah.
What's the commission?
I don't know, $5.
Yeah, you're good. There we go. Yeah. Somebody said the most common trader problem.
Literally, though, this is the worst fucking thing right here ever in my entire life. Someone, no, I'll Venmo you $20. No, you need to Venmo me $3,500 then for the payout. Oh my fucking fuck.
Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. There it
Give me
is.
it. Come on, bro. If I
Why
just would
don't
have
you just
stayed in
go to why
RTY,
don't
it
you
would have
just
been
go to
fine.
NQ, bruh?
If I would have stayed in RTY, it would have been fine, bro. I should have just stayed in it and just not bitched it. I'm such a fucking pussy.
This reminds me of the IG reel. You know those IG reels with the little cartoon characters trading,
Yeah,
and then next thing you know, the candlestick goes through the floor.
this is actually it right now, dude.
There it is. You
Give me it. 2 points.
You got it.
2 points.
Come on. Right there. Yeah.
Oh my
Oh.
fucking god, dude.
Oh. 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 Oh.
Dude, no!
Oh.
Oh my god,
Oh.
dude. I'm actually gonna lose my shit. I'm literally gonna lose my shit if
The
this happens.
route. That's the route we're going. Okay. Oh my god.
You guys having fun watching this? You guys better be screaming. You guys
Oh
better
my
be
gosh, here we go. There we are. Yeah, we're good. Yep,
fucking
there it
give me it,
is.
dude. No, it's
There it
not.
is. No, you're good. You're good. If it did that, you're good. He said dildo candle incoming.
Dude, oh my fucking god. This is crazy, bro.
Dildo candle incoming. Oh my god.
Oh my god, it actually might not hit it.
No, you're good. You're good.
It should go to VWAP, I mean, which
Yeah,
is
you're
way up
straight.
in
It's sitting right. It closed above VWAP. You're good, bro. You're good.
Give me one more little push here, dude. Come on. It's not funny. I hate this so
Because I know
much.
you're
Give
gonna
me
get
it,
it. I
bro.
know you're
I
gonna get it.
know. I
It's
know.
sitting right on top of you. I'm like that previous
Literally,
candle is so bullish. You're
I
good.
know. It literally keeps touching 66 on the fucking print and then just not
But it's
going.
just not selling you. Yeah. Here it is. 30-second charted.
Order filled.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. W's in the chat. This is
Put some
suspense.
W.
Give me some W's, dude. Oh my god. I'm having a freaking panic attack. Thank you guys. Jeez,
Yeah.
bro.
We get some W's,
Oh,
bro.
oh my goodness gracious. Hopefully I did the math right. Watch me not even do the math right. And I'm like, oh fuck, dude. Let's see. Let's pull it up. Oh god, dude. I'm fucking
Somebody, Derek says, I've never seen two points bring you back to your childhood trauma.
literally, bro. I need to go to therapy. I need to go to therapy today. Okay, let me log in here. Check this out. Oh my god, I was like $100 over. I was wrong, dude. I didn't have to sit through that fucking panic.
Oh, so did you meet the consistency?
Yeah, it was good. All right, guys, let's take a payout together. Let's do it. Let's do the thing. Let's do the thing. Oh my goodness gracious. All righty, ladies and gentlemen, it's that time again. It's the second payout. Wow, second payout of the month. I literally took one yesterday with Top Take Profit Trader. I'm about to take another one today with Top One Futures. 12 days on this account. Win rate 391. This will be my second payout on this account. Made $18,000 on it. Consistency 15%. See, it's like I haven't been going for that. Like, I'm not trying to like, oh, I need to hit this much money. You guys been watching me base hit it, right? Like, you guys been watching me. Let's see these days down here. Look at this. So we got
base hits
since the last payout, which was, let's see, when was it? Okay, 3,500. So that was the payout. We had a loss, I guess. Then we had 900, 500, 1,000, 500, 1,000, 900, $82 on Monday last week. 920, and then 1253 today. So do the thing. Average loss $185. Let's see. Average win. What is that R multiple? That's over a 2-to-1, something like 2-to-1. 2-to-1 R multiple. I love that.
2-1.
We're going to request payout, ladies and gents. I have read. I understand. We're going to go 3,500. We're going to go rise. We're going to confirm it. And just like that, in the top right corner, success. Another payout. Let's go. W's in the chat, please. Love you guys. Much love. Can you explain the consistency aspects? Absolutely. So there's 20% consistency rule with top 1 futures, meaning your best day cannot be more than 20% of your overall profits you make for that cycle for a payout. So a great example, easiest way to do the math on this is if you make $10,000, your best day can't be more than $2,000. So hopefully that kind of makes sense. So it's like, but again, just base hitting. You don't really have to worry about it, dude. If you're base hitting stuff like this, that's like most people get screwed because they don't base hit. And they're so worried about like, oh, well, what I could have made this, could have made that. And it's like, that's usually what screws people over. Can we also talk about real quick? I'm going to switch tabs. And can we talk about how this literally would have destroyed me? I would have been so angry. I would have been so angry. Oh my God. I would have been so
For
mad.
no reason to.
Literally greedy over $20. I would have lost like 300 or something like that. Stupid. Crazy. But all right, let's all lock out boys together. Lawrence has a W today. I had a W today. Took the payout. We're going to go. If you are on top 1 futures or Project X and you have this beautiful lockout feature, go up to the top right corner here, go to custom. We're going to go to 6. We're going to go to 30 a.m., which for me, I'm on the West Coast. Yes, lock me out. Boom, locked in. Now we're going to go to settings. We're going to go to copy trading. We're going to clear this. We're going to save changes to unlink the accounts. And we're going to go to each one individually. Each one individually. Let's go here. Let's go to custom. We're going to go to 6. We're going to go to 30. Yeah, let's get some lock emojis in the chat. We're going to let us lock me out. And this other one is pods because I just submitted the payout. So we're all Gucci. And that, my friends, is another W in the books. We're loving it. It's looking good. Let's see. How are we looking on the stats? Look at this. On this one.
11,000. Beautiful.
11,000. Let's go to the calendar. Green. Go back.
Sheesh.
Pretty nice on this one. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. We're cruising. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hopefully that gave you some good insight. Hopefully you guys saw, like, I was very clear about what I was looking for, right? Like the RTY play on RTY. I had a zone, I had an area. I even took an initial loss on it. Small little attempt right down here. But once I'm in the driver's seat. Let the fucking thing work. Let the trade work. So many people are so eager just to like either get in and get out right away. It definitely depends on your style of trading, what you do. But like, that's why I like these low risk entries. And, me and Lawrence are all about holding that damn shit and like holding it. We're not going for the moon, but catching a big chunk of that move risk reward wise is great. So,
yes, sir.
Yeah, so thank you for the lock emojis. I love seeing this. This is sick. Good shit. Dubs in the chat. Thank the Lord you got out. I'm a base hitter, so this is good. Well deserved, brother. Nice. Thank you. Appreciate it. KJ, how long ago did you take your last payout? With top 1, I took it on the 30th because I have 3 accounts and they're all kind of just staggered because like it'll pause you for a day. So I just continue to trade how I trade, and it just so happens that I keep taking like at least a payout a week or like almost 2 payouts a week. I also have a take profit trader account that is a side account that I kind of just fuck around on. I'm not going to lie. I've blown a lot of them. I'm like straight up. Top 1, luckily I haven't blown too many and I'm now on a good streak and they're cruising. I'm trying to go live with them. That's my goal. But yeah, I did take a payout yesterday with take profit trader. So now we're at, what are we at? Took 2,500 yesterday. I'll take 3,150 from this. So almost $6,000 this month already, and it's the second. I'll take that.
Oh,
56.30 this month so far. Way to go, Tanner. RBI champ, base hits, bro. Yep, exactly. Nice little 7K week. Yep. Best stream hands down. I love this. Best stream hands down. Anyone not tuning in is missing out. Keep up the great work, gents. Appreciate you.
Appreciate it.
Much love.
Thank you.
So Well, good shit. Thank you guys. Appreciate you. I don't think Lawrence, are you gonna be here tomorrow? What are you doing? We
I
do
don't know.
have I mean it's just I don't like doing I usually really don't like
what time does it close?
it
What time
closes
market
at 1
close?
p.m. Closes at 1 p.m. So like
I
technically
mean,
we
we're
could
finished at 11. Yeah.
I know. And here's the thing. This is the only reason I'm gonna pull this up. You guys can see this, right? Yeah. Okay. So this is Forex Factory. I don't know if any of you guys use this for news, but this is about the easiest like news calendar to look at, in my opinion. Tomorrow, the 3rd, market does close at 1 Eastern time, which is 10 o'clock my time on West Coast. But look at this. In the morning, we have NFP, non-farm employment change data, and we have ISM services PMI at 10 a.m. So that usually can have some movement. I'm not against. I mean, I'll show up tomorrow. If you're going to be here tomorrow, Lawrence, I'm down. But maybe just take it super slow because it is a holiday, and so it's like it's really like just I'm putting a lot of expectations. Not putting a lot of expectations for tomorrow. It's kind of like what's going to go on with it. So that's the plan.
So what do we? Just so everybody can know.
We'll show up. We'll be here tomorrow morning.
Okay.
We'll be here. We'll be here tomorrow morning. We'll do it. We'll do it. We'll do the damn thing. But definitely market's closed Friday, so obviously not here Friday. So that's the plan. But good shit. We could drive the boat together. Let's do it. Let's do it. Good shit. Great work today, Alejandro. Awesome work. Chat with you guys later. Peace.
All right. Peace.